Hey guys, welcome back into this new video tutorial with OpenCV Pro. On this video today I'm going to simply show you how we're going to be learning on Python and how we can actually create up something called the image detection using Python. Now this time around we are going to be dealing up with objects, and we assume this object you're going to be working with is already a classified object. We already have the compiled XML files which you can always get online. I'm going to give you the description on the video where you can definitely get it from, and then you'll be in a position to access. Now the first thing you need to know at the moment, we want to see whether you can actually access one known as computer vision into our PC, and definitely get all that in our PC. So the first thing now is to make sure you happen to install OpenCV to give us a chance. So you just need to type this very command here in your terminal so that you can be in a position to download one known as the OpenCV into your PC. Then this time around I'm also going to be using up something called after installing that, just make sure that if you type import CV, you get CV2. You should be having like that, whereby you can simply say print for you or print CV2, which definitely will bring for you the path where the OpenCV2 installed in your given PC. And remember, CV2 was compiled from C++, and the version I'm having in my PC is that. Now, without wasting time, I'm just going to explain to you guys how you can start working up with. Now, no matter which platform you guys use, whether you're using up desktop and you're using up console, you can still get up the same thing by doing that. But now here mine is not going to give that because I'm using an account which is not installed. I haven't installed that OpenCV in my account, so I can't have it there. Now on the other way around, if I try to just get back to you, this is it. So make sure you have that installed in your PC. Now I really have some of my projects here which I don't waste a lot of time. I'm just going to come back to my OpenCV and I install that, run for that. Now this is the image or the image that I'm visualizing. So this is just the line of code which is picking up for us the header of this XML file. You guys, you can just go straight to your go to OpenCV, or you can just say go to where just pick something here. If I go to internet, I just need to pick this so that get that for you. That's called OpenCV Python. It's called HAA. Let's get up. Sorry, that's the file. So I'm going to simply call it files. Get. So let me just try to do that. So that definitely may take us to the download file. This is the file here. You guys, you can always get it down there. So if you really have pressed them like that, it will take you to the download page where it will be giving you a chance on how to download that given piece of file. So I think you guys can just see around here in my files. This is the first file. You can always do with, and then if you use it, it will always give you a chance to have detection in OpenCV. So that's it. And if you try to cross check that, this is just line of code. It will give you a chance to be in a position to rotate and come up with something like this in your PC. Now without wasting time, I'm just going to take you straight to the download page where guys you can always download that stuff. I think you can see edit on a GitHub. You can edit on GitHub, or if you don't want that, you can also just use this, creating your own hierarchical file tutorial, blah blah blah. So that's okay. Detection phase, blah blah. So if you check on that top of the page loading for us, so I'm just looking into where you guys can download from. Check this special tutorial. I'm looking into where you can download that given stuff file, given files that you guys will get it from. Okay, my friends, I'm just going to put the link on my video description so that you guys can be in a position to have that all at once. So but if you already have one, go to downloads, OpenCV master, and then you can always get that into your PC, and if you have that, that's good to go. and this is the file you need, and this is the file you're going to extract into your desktop, into your working directory. Get? So I have some kind of file here, and this is it, and that's called video with Python that, and then this is the image detection that I'm really trying to portray for you guys at the moment. So if you happen to go back on my PC course at the moment, this is it. Now the next thing I have is this image here. This is the image of me, and it's the PNG. So if I go back on this very project and I just change this one here to learn with the extension .png like that. If I try to run this image, I know it's taking long to load, but if I run it, trust me, it's going to detect me and it's going to generate my all details. I want just to share that, guys, that image, because some of you guys may think I've already drawn in that image. This is the image. This is the image, guys, as you can see, and this is the product which I've got after prediction. You know, after it analyzing and getting to know where my face is, I definitely get that into my piece of code. So my friends, I really thank you guys for watching this video. I'm just going to be starting creating up these things with you guys step by step. So you stay tuned to my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to make sure I do the best for you. So guys, thank you for watching. Love you all. Take care. May the Lord bless you. Thank you.